Hey, let's talk a minute about our eyebrows, shall we? Right now is a different kind of journey for us, and maybe you're used to going to the salon and having your brows touched up, or maybe you're used to having them microblading, and this fell right about the time it's time for a touch-up. So, let me give you some 3 simple tools that I personally use on my eyebrows, and then we'll do our brows so I can show you an easy way to keep them cleaned up and maintained during this different kind of journey that we are on, okay? These are my tools of choice, if you will. And the sooner that you get on top of maintaining your brows, the easier it'll be to maintain your shape that you've been getting at that salon, okay? The tweezers, I don't use to tweeze all around my brows, you guys. I use tweezers to grab those stray hairs, partially because I have glasses. And there are times, if you have lighter colored brows, you don't realize that you've grabbed more than just one hair. Maybe you've grabbed a lot of hairs and you pull them out and you make a gap somewhere. Okay, so I brush them all to be a certain length. I use my tinkle razor, okay, and I'm leaving the cap on so I can just show you right now, because I've already done my brows, okay? I literally bring it down right to that shape that I want, okay? I also do, obviously without my glasses, I also do up underneath, and I trim here along my tail, okay? Now where I might have a straggler is down in here. There might be a straggler out in here, okay? But that peach fuzz that is starting to grow in, you want to use a tinkle razor and just work right down into it and come up to it, okay? The other key thing, you guys, besides these 3 tools, is a mirror. And depending on your vision, if it's like mine, I have a magnifying 10 just so that I can shape up my brows. I don't use that for my makeup, but to shape those brows, I want to make sure that I can see everything and I don't pull something I'm not supposed to pull or take that razor too far than I'm supposed to, okay? But those are the 3 tools that I live by that I find are easiest to use, okay? So let's do our brows. Okay, so I have brows, obviously. However, as you can see, they don't really enhance my face. They don't do anything currently, with the exception of their job to protect my eyes, right? But doing anything for my face? Nope. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to use our brow palette. This is my favorite because literally it's a paint by number, okay? As you can see, it's got little numbers. Whoops, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? So this is what I'm going to use to put on my brows, and I'm going to use a brow artist brush. My brow artist brush has an angle on one side and it's flat on the other, okay? So I'm going to first dip into that one, and I'm going to frame. That's all I'm going to do. I'm not even going to fill in. I'm going to frame up that top and bottom. Okay? So again, depending on what angle you want, you can do the things. Okay? Then I dip into 1 and 2 for my tail. And then back into 1, and I fill that in. And I fill it in going in the direction of the hair is the way I flick my brush. So as the hair goes to the side out here, I go to the side. Up front where it goes straight up and down, I go up and down, okay? Now once you get your brow on, the other thing to watch is your tail. The further down you bring your tail, the more it will bring your eye down. So depending on the shape of your eye, might help determine where you want the end of your tail. I like my eye to be drawn up so that it kind of looks a little bit bigger. I have small, downturned eyes are what my eyes are called. And so I want them to appear more open. Doing that, I leave the tail up here. I don't bring it down any further, okay? But again, yours is going to be based on your eye shape, okay? And what look you're looking for. Okay, so before I do 3, 4, and 5, I like to do my other eyebrow. In case there's any changes that I need to make or they don't look anything alike, this gives me an opportunity to fix that, okay? So then I go back through kind of looking, do I have them both even? Do they roughly look about the same shape? All of those things, okay? And I like to take the end of my spoolie brush and just go through and kind of clean up a little bit of that edging to make a real sharp, clean edge, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to dip into that number 3, which is your pink, which will blend perfectly into your, foundation. The other thing, this kind of gives like a fresh brow look. You know, when you come out, whether you've had them waxed or anything that you've done, they kind of have a little bit of pinkness to it. Not overly, but just a little bit. This has that kind of that look to it. So again, this part isn't necessary if that's not what you like. But again, it's going to end up cleaning up, giving the edges a real sharp edge look to it. And of course, it's going to blend into your foundation, and you won't really see this. Okay, so just cleaning up those edges. Now we're going to dip into 4, which is this one right here, which is basically a highlighter. Okay, so we're going to use that to just highlight on this brow bone right here. Okay, again, accentuating that arch that we put. Okay, the last thing to do is to keep our brows in place and to be perfect the way we've got them, and that is step number 5. And typically I use the flat edge side of my brow artist brush for that. It'll also keep all the hairs in place and just keep a real sharp look for you. There you go, some brows. Good luck.